MJC Learning. Today we are going to study chapter number 2 of your subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, that is Accounts of Not for Profit Concern or NPO. So let's begin. Today we are dealing with question number 10, which is on page number 120 of your government textbook. I'll read out the question. From the following receipts and payment account of KBP Engineering College, Nasik for the year ending on 31st March 2019 and additional information, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. Then we have receipts and payment account, additional information and adjustments. 50% of donation are for building fund and balance treated as revenue income. So I have made a mark against building fund and against donation to indicate the adjustment. Next, outstanding subscription rupees 5,300. So again against subscription I had make a mark to indicate adjustment. And lastly, life memberships are to be capitalized, so we have made a note of that also. I have my specimen ready of income and expenditure account and that of balance sheet. We'll start by posting the additional information. First, books. Opening amount we have 6 lakhs and closing amount, that is on 31st March we have 6 lakh. Will come balance sheet asset side. Books opening amount 6 lakhs. Closing amount 6 lakhs. Next, furniture opening amount 3,19,000 and closing amount 3 lakhs. Again balance sheet asset side. Furniture opening amount 3,19,000 and closing amount 3 lakhs. Next, building fund 10 lakhs. Adjustment is there, so we'll be writing in the inner column balance sheet liability side. Building fund amount is 10 lakhs. After that, fixed deposit 9,10,000, balance sheet asset side. Next, capital fund 9,47,400, balance sheet liability side. After completing additional information, we'll start posting from receipt side. Firstly, we have opening balance brought down, which we ignore. Further, to interest. So income side, amount of interest 55,000. Next, to subscription 28,300, adjustment being there, we'll be writing in the inner column subscription. Next, life membership fees 25,000, again adjustment, so inner column. Next, donation 7 lakh, again adjustment is there, so we'll be writing in the inner column. After that, tuition fees 12,30,000, income side. No adjustment is there, so directly I will be writing in the outer column. Next, term fees 2,08,000, income side. Next, sundry receipts 8,000, again income side. Next, admission fees 60,000, again income. After posting receipt side, we'll move ahead to payment side. First we have salaries to teaching staff 11,70,000, expenditure side. Next, electricity charges 55,000, expenditure. Buy books 61,000. So these are the books which are purchased during the year. So we are making the addition in books, balance sheet, asset side. Amount is 61,000. On adding 6 lakh plus 61,000, we'll get 6,61,000. Next, buy furniture. Again, there is addition to the furniture during the year. Amount is 51,000. We'll make a note of that as well. On adding 3,19,000 plus 51,000, we get 3,70,000 as total. Next, buy stationery 21,850, again expenditure. Next, fixed deposit 8,50,000. So there is addition in the fixed deposit, balance sheet asset side. Amount is 8,50,000. On adding in outer column, we will get 17,60,000. Next, by balance carried down, cash in hand and cash at bank, their effects would be balance sheet asset side. Now we are done with the posting. Let us start with the adjustments. 50% of donations are for building fund and the balance is to be treated as revenue income. So donation amount is 7 lakhs. And when we calculate 50% of 7 lakhs or half of 7 lakhs, we get 3,50,000. So from donation, we will deduct 50% of building fund. That is 3,50,000 and we are left with 3,50,000 in the outer column. Second effect, we'll add it to the building fund, balance sheet liability side. On adding 10 lakh plus 3,50,000, we get 13,50,000 in the outer column. Next adjustment, outstanding subscription rupees 5,300. First effect, we will add to subscription under income side. amount is 5,300. On adding, we get 33,600 in the outer column. And second effect, balance sheet asset side. Outstanding subscription 5,300. Next, life membership fees are to be capitalized. So first effect, we will deduct capitalization, that is the entire 25,000. Outer column nothing remains. And second effect, we will add to capital fund balance sheet liabilities side. Amount is 25,000. On adding 9,47,400 plus 25,000, we get 9,72,400. Now, when we come towards the asset side, we see furniture 3,19,000, purchase made during the year 51,000, and total we get 3,70,000. And outer column total is 3 lakhs, so definitely there is a reduction of 70,000 and we call it as depreciation. Similarly for books, total is 6,61,000 and outer column we have 6 lakhs. So again there is a deduction of 61,000 or depreciation in the books. Second effect of books and furniture we will be giving to expenditure, depreciation. Furniture 70,000, books 61,000. On adding both, we get 1,31,000. Now all the adjustment posting is over. First we will be closing income and expenditure account. Income side is more. So on adding income side, our total is 19,37,400. From that, when we deduct the expenditure side, the surplus amount which we get is 5,59,550. This surplus amount we will be adding to capital fund. And on adding this to outer column, we get 15,31,950. On adding liability side, and on adding asset side, both the side we are getting the total as 28,81,950. Your balance sheet is tallied. I hope you all have understood this problem. Thank you. See you again with yet another problem.